Hi, my name is ZAKKERY. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share the top most profitable services for digital marketers. These services are always on a high demand, and I've created my personal list of preferences that I will share in this video. I've been checking it for many years, and I'm 100% sure that this list might bring you a lot of money, and it definitely works. Don't forget to like this video because that helps me to make my videos more popular and attract more subscribers to the channel, because the information that I share on my channel might save somebody's lives and might save somebody from the office and might help somebody to quit their 9-to-5 job. And of course, subscribe to this channel. So I've been in digital marketing for more than 8 years at the moment. I've tried so many services. I've been an influencer and have created a content myself. I've hired digital marketers, I think more than 20-30 people whom I've hired to be a digital marketer in different occupations and positions in my company. We are currently a company of 90 people, and we provide marketing and sales services for online educators. I've worked as a specialist of auto funnels. You've definitely been into a couple of auto funnels, free masterclasses, free ebooks, guides, lead magnets. These are all parts of auto funnels. I will tell about that more specifically in my future videos. I've worked as a Facebook ads and Google ads specialist, so I've tried really a lot of directions in digital marketing, and I know this stuff. I've created the list from worst to the best, and the best will be the last one in this video. The list of services which can generate you money on a constant basis. On the first place is a content creation. One of the services that are very popular among digital marketers is a creation of the content. It's when you shoot the videos for somebody else, or you added the videos that were done by somebody, and your goal is to do the either Reels or TikToks or something like that. There are options when there is no your face on the video, and there are sometimes options when your face is required to be on the video. For example, if you do a promotion or you do the blog for somebody, something like that. So why I put it on the first place, so among the worst services for digital marketers, because this brings you a fixed payment. I don't personally like it, so that means that you cannot make more money if you want. You are very limited with the hours you have during the day, so that influences your income. I don't want it. How much money you can make with that? You might be paid either monthly or by item. By item, that means that per one piece of content, usually that's a video, you might be getting from $20 to $80. And if you are paid by months, it's about $1,000 per one Instagram or TikTok profile. The second place goes to SEO Specialists. SEO services, or website optimization. This is a kind of a service that digital marketers really love to provide to the clients. It's when you are, as a digital marketer, do your best to make the website of the client appear in a front page or in the front lines in a Google search or any other search platforms. Why this is not the best service that I personally like? Just because it's not highly paid. The rates go from $40 an hour to $200 an hour. But the thing is that the result might take forever. It might take 3, 6, or even 12 months for your customer to get the first results. Okay, you might get paid until their customer gets the result. But for me, it sounds like not fair. It's not a win-win situation. I don't like that. And the other thing, again, there is no commission part usually in these services, so I don't go there. The third place goes to social media management, but not for every niche, only for some specific niches. I will name them later. What is the social media management? It's the process that involves the creation and promotion of a content and posting it on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and etc. For me, it goes in the third place among all highly paid digital marketing services, only when you do social media management for businesses. Remember this, I don't really recommend you to do social media management for the influencers. Why? Because it's really time consuming. Influencers might be really picky. They all the time will demand from you to write the posts as they would write them, to see the content through their eyes, and you have your own eyes. It's really difficult to align your vision with their vision. So my recommendation here, you will save your time and you will get more money if you work with businesses. Another golden advice that will bring you a lot of money is narrow the selection of the clients to one niche. This is a really winning idea. So just imagine if you have 10 clients in a social media management and every client has a different niche. One client is an influencer, the other one is a logistic company, the other one is a beauty salon, and etc. They all are in different niches. It's difficult to manage 10 clients. It would be way easier for you to do so if all 10 clients would be from one niche. My recommendation, go with the beauty salons or go with the bakeries. Be a social media manager for a specific one business type. You serve as a social media manager only bakeries, only beauty salons, only daycares, only schools, whatever. Why it is easier and it's more profitable? Just because you can save your time on generating the ideas. You might not be able to use the same content, that's obvious, but the ideas might be the same. The audience of these businesses is the same. So it will be really easier for you if you choose this path. The fourth place among all highly paid digital marketing services goes to advertisement services. It's when you provide the service of setting up the advertisement campaigns on such platforms as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google, whatever. This is one of my really beloved niches. Why? Because you can get way more money for minimum efforts comparing to all the previous services that I've already mentioned. How can you do that? There are two options how you might be paid. The first option, if the company is relatively small and the advertisement budget is relatively low, let's say below $3,000–$5,000 a month, you will be paid a fixed price. This is not really a good option. That starts from $700 to $1,000 per advertisement campaign. But if your client is a company that has an advertisement budget at least $5,000, you are very likely to be paid up to 15% from advertisement budget. Just imagine, it's easy money. For my clients, advertisement budget is about $100,000 per month, and they are not huge projects. They are quite average for the United States. So with this advertisement budget, our advertisement team will get 10% from $100,000, meaning at the end of the month, the average payment that they will get is $10,000. Isn't it great? And I am not the only client that they serve. They have up to 5-6 clients per month. That's why this service goes on the fourth place. And on the fifth place, my favorite service. This is the design of auto funnels. Maybe for some of you, if you've never explored digital marketing before, that might sound like a rocket science, but actually it's not. The design of auto funnels is quite easy and a template-made service that you can provide to any entrepreneur, whether it's an influencer or a huge factory. Everybody in this world needs a sales auto funnel. What specifically is auto funnels? Funnel, it's a set of marketing actions which pushes the client to the decision to purchase your product. For example, if you've ever been to a free masterclass on digital marketing, let's say, this is a part of the funnel, after which the next step is the sales team. You will be likely called from a manager of the sales team, or you will be likely texted, or you will be sent the email from them. These are all the steps of the funnel. So specifically, the funnel is the marketing way of pushing the customer to the decision to purchase the product. Why it is for me, it's on the fifth place. Because through all years of being in a digital marketing, this specific service has generated me way more money than all the rest ones in a digital marketing. How you are usually paid for these services? You are either paid a fixed price, starting from $2,000, ending up with the amount of at least one sale that will be done with the help of the funnel that you've designed. In my case, I charge a commission. So once I've designed an auto funnel, I will be constantly charging the commission from all the sales generated with the help of this funnel. Why clients agree for this? Because once you've designed the funnel, you will need to optimize it next month. You will need to monitor it. You will need to fix it. The word auto funnel actually means nothing but the auto conversion of the client from advertisement to the state when it becomes a customer. But that's it. It doesn't work automatically. It requires attention, it requires optimization and upgrade every month or even more frequently. That depends on the situation of the market. So these are my top 5 services that are all the time in demand, and even in era of AI, they are still on top, and you will be well paid for these services. Let me know in the comments below what type of services that we've discussed today you would like to choose for yourself. What is the best option for you? Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and see you next time.